Hi everyone, this is Pippin Williamson. A few days ago I published a tutorial about how to add a contextual help tab to your plugins admin page. You can see the tutorial here on my website at Pippin's Plugins. It's a really simple little tutorial, but anyway, one of my readers, Drew, asked if I could show you guys how to add a similar help tab or to customize a help tab on other core WordPress pages, such as the themes page, the post or pages page, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a really quick rundown of how to do this. It's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and modify the content of this themes help tab right here, and then I'll show you how to add it for any others as well. So here's our function. It's really simple. I've just pasted this into a custom little plugin. And anyway, this function is going to take three parameters right here. Contextual help, this is going to be a variable, a string that's containing the contents of the help tab. The screen ID is the location of this help tab that we're modifying, and then screen is another parameter that we're not going to use, but it relates to the screen ID. Then inside of the function, basically what we're going to do is use the string compare function to compare the screen and the base variable inside of screen to our current location. And if that equals 0, meaning that the current screen we're on and where we want to add this, if they match, then we're going to modify the information. Otherwise, we're going to go down to the bottom and return the regular contextual help unmodified. Okay, so let's say that we want to modify the help tab on the themes page. What we're going to do is we're going to take the URL up here in the top, and you see that it's /admin/themes.php. Themes.php is going to be our base, except instead of taking the whole thing, we're only going to take themes. So you see that I've done it right here. If string compare the screen base to themes, if it matches, then let's customize the help. And then what we're doing is we're simply setting up a new string variable and adding in our information. So here it says, here is some useful information, and then I'm appending the already existing contextual help onto that string. And then we're going to return the customized help. What's that going to do is it's going to break out of the function and it's going to prevent this from being returned. So if we take a look, let's refresh our page, and here it is. Here is some very useful information. Same thing that we have right here. If we want, we can change it around. Let's say that we want to put our customized information at the end. So I can do this, save it, and refresh. And here it is down there. Okay, let's say that you want to, instead of adding this to the themes page, let's say you want to add it to the plugins page. All you're going to do is you're going to change this to plugins. Go to the help, and there it is. If you want to add it to, let's say, the post page, look up here and you see it says edit.php. So edit is going to be our base. And there's our information. So it's really, really, really easy. It's just a simple little function. All you got to do is basically take the string, you're modifying it, add some extra information. The one thing that you want to be sure that you do, there's two things. First of all, make sure that you always leave the contextual help information intact so that you don't destroy any information added by other plugins or by the core WordPress. And second is that you return the contextual help unmodified if you're not on the page that you want to display this extra contextual help on. Anyway, that's it. I hope you like it. I hope it helps a lot. Have a great day.